Okay, here we have the Sonnet CD-30. Now this is a stereo CD player alarm clock radio with headphone jack. And the alarm is really nice. I have a CD playing in here right now. I wanted to start it right off the bat here. Let's hear it.
It may be the Lord, but you're gonna have to serve somebody.
Oh yeah, that sounds really nice.
Maybe rock and roll.
Okay, now this is large 1-inch red LED time display, as you can see, with a high-low dimmer. Very cool. Other features I really like about it, it has AM, FM, or FM stereo. The headphone jack is right over here. Nice antenna. Extra thick cord, I like that too. On the opposite side, we have the auxiliary in, which I really like, the volume control, and you can wake to radio, buzz alarm, or CD. Okay, snooze alarm. It has a programmable sleep timer. You can fall asleep to CD even. Quality by Sonnet.